Ok, todos los tiempos en inglés. I speak English. You speak English. He speaks English. I spoke English. You spoke English. He spoke English. I will speak English. You will speak English. He will speak English. I am speaking English. You are speaking English. He is speaking English. I was speaking English. You were speaking English. He was speaking English. I will be speaking English. You will be speaking English. He will be speaking English. I have spoken English. You have spoken English. He has spoken English. I had spoken English. You had spoken English. He had spoken English. I will have spoken English. You will have spoken English. He will have spoken English. I have been speaking English. You have been speaking English. He has been speaking English. I had been speaking English. You had been speaking English. He had been speaking English. I will have been speaking English. You will have been speaking English. He will have been speaking English. Ok, muy bien, muchas gracias. No olvides visitar mi sitio web. Voy a poner una tabla ahí con todos esos tiempos que pueden descargar gratis. Goodbye.